Hey everyone, it's Paul from Splassive here, back with a brand new update video on multi-staker. In this video I will show you how to switch between chains using transit swap. Also, if you are a beginner, I will show you how to quickly add any network to your MetaMask wallet. So let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. I've done 2 videos already on multi-staker, so if you want to know the details about the marketing plan, about how it works, just go to my last videos about multi-staker. In this video, I will try to show you how to switch if you are, most of the people are using Binance Smart Chain. Not everyone knows how to switch from Binance Smart Chain to AVAX, do it quickly without using the centralized exchange. So to sum the things we have here. So it's paying 10% daily for 30 days, but they have this reinvestment rule. Every time you withdraw, 30% will go to reinvestment. So you'll earn more and more every day because your deposit will rise. Okay, so it will grow because if you withdraw, let's say you're on BUSD, you want to withdraw 10 BUSD, 3 BUSD will go to your investment. You will have a bigger deposit every time you withdraw. And you can only withdraw once every 24 hours. So these are the steps that the owners here took to make it more sustainable. They also do have a 5-level referral system, and they didn't do a huge hype at the beginning. Is growing steadily. Right now we are at almost half a million TVL, and that's in all the contracts because we have 5 contracts here. 2 contracts are for the Binance Smart Chain network for BUSD and BNB, and remember to always have some extra BNB if you're using Binance Smart Chain to cover transaction fees. The same will go with AVAX, FANTOM, and Polygon. You'll need their native wallet on each chain to cover for transaction fees. So I'll always have some extra crypto to cover for the fees. So let's look at the BUSD version. So I've staked a little bit here. I'm using 2 wallets. So on this wallet, I staked 82 BUSD. This is also for the presentation purposes, so I'll be depositing some FANTOM. And right now, if I want to switch to BNB, it will move me to another contract. This is the project comprising of 5 different contracts, a multi-chain project, a new trend that you can see right now on the Dapp market. So we'll have to switch this contract, but we are still on Binance Smart Chain. If you want to add, you don't have like Avalanche or Polygon network on your MetaMask wallet, you can go to this website, connect with your wallet, and you will add it with 1 click. For this, to be able to access all the chains there, you'll need to add Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, FANTOM, and Polygon, and you'll be able to go into each one. So I've staked a little bit of BNB here as well. 0.36 BNB, which equals to $147. As you can see, this is my strategy to go with a small amounts in many dApps. Here, I decided to go in BUSD, BNB, and AVAX. Right now, if I switch to AVAX, I will have to switch network on my MetaMask wallet. As you can see, it's already added, so I will just need to switch here, connect with my wallet, and I'm already on AVAX. If I want to switch from BNB to AVAX, I can go to swaptransit.finance. This is a sort of multi-chain swap, and you can go from, right now I'm connected, if you refresh, you'll connect to the chain that you are right now connected to on your MetaMask wallet. So right now I'm on AVAX, and I can go from AVAX to Binance Smart Chain, and I can select, let's say I want to go for BNB, from AVAX to BNB. I will just need to set the amount, and it will show me how much BNB will I get for 1 AVAX. The fees here are not too high. I've tested it a lot of times, and right now they are like charging 0.2% fee plus just a small amount in BNB. And so you can also go from, let's say we want to go from BNB to AVAX. Because you don't have AVAX, you'll need to buy it on Binance, etc. It's easy here, takes just a few minutes, and you can switch from BNB to AVAX, no problem. And if you do that, it will land on your wallet. You just paste your wallet here. You can use the same wallet for every chain, so that's something that you should know as well. If it lands on your wallet, then you'll go here and deposit the amount you want, and you'll get, if this thing is still running. I mean, remember, none of this is a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. So always do your own research before investing any crypto. Remember, always to trust yourself, never trust anyone. Do your own research and just know what you're doing. So here, for the amount of one AVAX, you'll get 3 AVAX in 30 days, assuming that it will be still, the balance will still have some AVAX. That's how it works. There will be winners here and losers. This is like a game. Okay, so you need to be first. Right now we are on the third day, so this last goal, guys, to go here. And also remember that you won't get this full 10% if you want to withdraw daily, because from every withdrawal, 30% will be deducted for the reinvestment, auto reinvestment that they have, but your investment will grow, and eventually your daily ROI, probably you'll get your principal in like 12 to 15 days roughly. I'm not really sure, but you can make a calculation yourself. So let's switch to FANTOM now. I have all the networks added to my MetaMask, so the switching is really simple. Just 2 clicks and I'm already on FANTOM using the same wallet. You can use different wallets, that's up to you. Just change it on your MetaMask, refresh the page, connect with your wallet, and you'll be on another wallet. If you want to have separate wallets for all the chains, but you can use just one wallet with the same address. It will work on all of these chains. But of course, you'll need to, if you have like BNB, you can switch to FANTOM using transit swap as well. You go here, you choose FANTOM, and you can switch like this. I have like 80 to FANTOM on my wallet, so we'll go with 80. If it's good, I'll get a nice profit. The max ROI here I can get is 300%, but every time I withdraw, a new small investment will come up out of it. So even if I'm finished with the initial amount here, if this thing is still running, I will still get some small amounts. Okay, so that's how it works. Yeah. So let's take now. I will show you how it works. A MetaMask window will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. You'll see the estimated gas fee you need to pay. Sometimes there's a lot of traffic. You'll need to edit the gas. You can edit here always, just add a little bit to make it quicker. Right now it should be all right. So 0.03 FANTOM for the fee, 80 FANTOM for the deposit, and usually it's like 15 seconds, and yeah, or even faster. And right now I can see that, yeah, if I refresh, sometimes it takes just a few seconds. If I refresh, I will have to go to FANTOM here, connect with the contract. Your wallet should be seen here. TVL just, someone deposit as well, so it's still going up. Yeah, you can go to each contract here and observe the balance, everything. That's what you should do, if you're investing in anything. So right now I will see probably soon, because sometimes FANTOM is slow like that. Yeah, it should be seen soon, a total stake amount here. Let's refresh. Okay. Yeah, now we can see that the total stake amount here is 81 FANTOM, which equals to $102 more or less. Of course, it's the price is fluctuating. You can check the prices here on CoinMarketCap. Actually, FANTOM is doing pretty good. Should be doing pretty good. I mean, it was at $1.32 Right now we have a little bit of dip, but yeah, it's still the price is doing fine. So this is how we do it. They also do have a Matic contract. I just deposit a small amount there, but I can also switch easily. Everything works, and yeah, they have a total stake amount of over 72,000 Matic here as well. So this is, guys, how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you didn't like, you can give me a dislike. If you liked it, give me a like. Remember to subscribe to my channel. If you didn't, you'll get early notifications about new dApps that I'm always searching for new ones. Also, join my Telegram chat where I'm giving tips about how to earn passive income. I'm doing giveaways, etc. So it's good to be there. I'm building a community there. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.